we are here. You know what it is? We are Indian Vietnamese family. We vlog about traveling and unschooling. Please subscribe us for more fun. I don't think you know, but you see the fish? So we are in the trout fish farm and let's go. We have a visit to the farm and show kids how they raise fish, harvest and all. And if you like our video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.
Ciao.
We park the bike here and then we walk down. I think this is very beautiful when the flowers blossom. That's why they said please do not pluck flowers. Oh, I like this rose, so beautiful. And we got the apricot bags and she's very happy now. And they have a restaurant here. We come back later. Had very nice walk. I think this one is the Jerusalem cherry that we saw in the jungle earlier. Do you know what it is, Tuntin? Turkey.
That is that a ostrich? There. The one put inside another cage.
Yeah, maybe. Big one, right?
That's a big one. Can it fly?
Hello. Turkey, I don't think so. Turkey is one kind of chicken. I don't think it can fly.
But then one turkey was up there.
Ah, it jump up. Maybe it can fly. Maybe a shorter. Oh, a lot of bird here as well. See? Cook, 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 cook. Can't see. Parrot. A lot of birds as well. Not only parrots. Up there. Pond here as well with a lot of golden fish. And this is plum. So they use the river water to raise the fish, right? Oh, it's dangerous here. Be careful. No, this is the river.
Okay. Come.
I think we go the wrong way. It's just the river here. Be careful, Andy. Jump. Good job. Woohoo. A lot of apple here as well. Oh yeah, they let direct the water from the river here and fish inside, right? the fish inside. A lot of fish inside. Come here. Small fish. This is the small fish pond. I think this is a small fish pond. You can see so many small fish here. And this is the farm. The farm is here. Be careful, Andy. Do you see the fish? Fish here. Wow. It's not catfish, it's trout fish. They have a lot of sitting area as well. Very nice. So trout fish, they need to live in the flowing water. That's why it's like this. Yeah, oh my god, so many big fish. Oh my god, big fish over there. Come here and see. Oh, that's the big pond, big fish. I think they have some below as well. Such a nice process. Use the water everywhere, from this pond to another pond. I saw the restaurant over there, and let's go. Okay, you see the water over there from the river, and they led here to this the small fish pond, and this the middle one. This is the outside output, and then another ways come here, and water come from 1, 2, 3, 4 part, and also over there some pond, and finally the water go out to the big natural ponds over there for the mature fish. And this is a restaurant, nice sitting. Wow, this is so nice sitting.
Okay, so breeder fish. The big ones there are breeder. They put the eggs and then
Okay.
that's how they breed the fish. And then there are some ducks also.
Let's order some food. I want fish steam with lemon sauce, chili, tomato sauce. Fish fry fillet, fish butter, fish golden fries. Fish fry. Do you like this fish farm? Oh my god, so many fish, right? So now do you know how they farm the fish? So I told you, right? The water from the river and go to the small fish pond and go to all of this pond. Look at this. You know? See, they are taking fish. Okay, they put water first, so that's the fish live, right? And now they take the fish. Ooh, look at this. And oh, fish! So many fish! So the young fish, they won't take, right? They remove them, release them again to the pond.
Yeah, so then we can grow and then we can only eat when it's young.
So if you eat everything, there's nothing left, right? Even in the ocean, the fishermen, they also release the small fish so they can grow. Archery, steam walk, Buma bridge adventure activities, river cross, spider net, zip line, air gun suit. I don't know. They have the services, right? We need to ask if you want to play.
I want to play.
Yeah, go down first and see. Oh yeah, this is the adventure activity area. Now they have a lot of things. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Later, eat first, okay?
Okay.
Can they play? Yeah, there's some of the activities, right? Not. Okay, let's go eat first and then we see.
No, I used to. I'm a very small. I'm 9 years old.
No problem, but you have another option that behind the wall, the climbing that and walking activity that would be another one.
There's some activities here that they can do. Wow, it's so nice here. They have a nice property. Look at that! Kids are so excited to try
Oh,
the activities.
I thought this is only fish place. I did not know there are so many things here. We could have come here early.
Exactly why we spend time there. Foods are coming! Ooh, what is this? It has been 2 months, more than 2 months. We haven't eaten fish yet because that's only in the himachal. I never eat this fish before.
Look, look all the food.
Yeah, I just look what it is.
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe us for more funny videos.